Wow, you know, I served these roasted potatoes last night, and everybody loved them. It was so easy. Of course, I did it in my toaster oven. And I'm so inspired that I wanted to show you today how to do it. And this is just going to be a few minutes, and I think you will love this recipe. And this is so easy. So, you know, here, there's about like 4 cups, maybe a little less, of, these are white potatoes. They're not fancy. I just cut them up into little slices. You can cut them as long as they're all the same size. Basically, you can cut them into any shape. And then here is, well, let's see, this was a half an onion. So I think this is about a half a cup of onion. And that's it. And then I have some seasoning that I'm going to be using. That's all going to go on to my broiling pan, which if you have a toaster oven, you've got one of these that came with a toaster oven. I've got a bowl here. So this all goes into the bowl. And then I'm going to add some of my cold press olive oil. I don't know, just a kind of that much, like that. Now here's the point where it can get really personal. You can use barbecue sauce or your favorite salad dressing or any number of spices that you love. In this case, I have this Latin flavoring. I love this spice. Just get it at the grocery store. And it's salty already, so I'm not going to put any salt in there. And the flavor is so nice. And you know what? Like, that's it. So now I just mix this around. My toaster oven is up to temperature, which is 400. So as soon as I get this mixed well, and I'm going to put a little oil on this baking pan as well, I'm ready to go. Okay, onto the baking sheet, all this goes. Think of what you might want to use for this. Spread it out. They should roast fairly evenly, so you want to kind of get them spaced out a little bit on this. Now I've got the rack just where I usually have it, kind of in the middle of the toaster oven. In they go at 400 degrees. I'm going to set the timer for 25 minutes. So that was 25 minutes, and of course the potatoes are beautifully done. Now, if you want them a little crisper, you can bake them longer. I like them just this way, and of course, so typical of the baking process is the flavors are so concentrated, and the spices have gone into these potatoes. So excellent side for a nice backyard meal. Wow, I think I'm just going to snack on these right now. And there it is. There it is. My Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. If you've got a toaster oven, you should buy my cookbook. It's wonderful. And if you don't have a toaster oven, well, maybe this will convince you. This is absolutely delicious. I'm going to have some more right now.